Today's trading idea is to go long on Daco New Energy. Um, Here at the December 31st candle, on a 4-hour candle, it shows a buy signal um, plus a Japanese candle as well. And there's also 8 confirmations that this is a good buy signal. Today you have the gapping up of the price at the 4-hour candles. Both of them are up. You have the candles crossing over or being above the yellow line, above the blue line. The yellow is crossing the blue as well, so that's a modified golden cross. Down here you have above average volume, and down here you have the red line turning into green, and it's above the blue line and above the zero. All this together, it shows 8 confirmations to the buy signal.